We are from Valtech High Tech Engineering College, and our project is allocating blocks before encryption for resourceful data retrieval from encrypted images by RDH technique. And our team members are Aishwarya, Malati, and Monisha. Is to retrieve the data and also the image without any error. First, the user has to register into this. For that, he has to fill the application details here, for especially like username, password, and then he has to register. Now the register is completed. Then he has to log in into this application. Username and password is given, and then he has to submit. First he has to encrypt the image what he have to upload. Then first he has to upload the image. Then the color image is converted into grayscale image, and the room is reserved here to hide the data. Then we can give the two type of key, random key or manual key. We are giving random key. The random key is generated for the image, and the random key generated for data also. First we have to type the data what we have to send. Confidential data is typed here. The data is converted to ciphertext, and then the image is encrypted here, and then in encrypted image the data is hidden. This can be sent to the receiver who has this image. The receiver is entered here. We can send both key or data key or image key. Now we are sending both key. The message is sent here, and then we have to log out. Then the receiver who has to receive this image, he has to log in into this, and then the new message is received in this inbox. Now he has to decrypt. The image is selected, and then he has to select the decryption button. Now the encrypted image is uploaded here. Image key and data key are sent here. Select the image key and paste it there, and then that key is converted to binary. Then data key is selected and pasted there. Now the data which have been typed will be received here. Confidential data is received here, and then the image is also decrypted. The same process is done here. Thank you.